when your outline is all done and you're ready to type your paragraph, go into Google Classroom, and this is going to be what the document's going to look like. When you guys go in here, what you're going to do is, it says type name here. You're going to go like this, highlight it, and then you're going to type your name there. So it won't say type name there anymore. It's going to say your name. And then here it says I am, and actually we're going to make that a capital, grateful for. You're going to put who your paragraph is about. If your paragraph's about a bunch of different people, you could put, you could put the people in my life. If your paragraph's about one person and you're writing a lot of details about one person, then you can write like my aunt. Okay. So whoever you're going to write about, that's where you want to, it's going to be your title. And then when you start your paragraph, I put where you should start here because look, it's indented. So you're going to highlight it and then you start your first sentence. I am so glad my Okay, so none of the words that I wrote on there are going to actually be in your paper. It's just so you guys have an idea of where the placement goes. Okay, so that's how you use this. I'm excited to read your paragraphs. How out?